My name is Maana Hanan Isa. I am 10 years of age. I am connecting from New Botiano, the Greater Accra region of Ghana. And this is my project called Quiz App. My quiz app asks questions one by one. Each question shows three options, and I have to type the correct letter like A, B, or C. If I get one wrong, it says I've gotten one wrong. At the ending, it shows my scores. How the project works. First, the app works step by step. First, I use print to show the question and the options. Then I use input to show type the answer. After that, an if and else check whether the answer is correct. I keep a score by adding one. I keep a score by adding one when the answer is correct. This is a demonstration of the work. This is the first question. What is the capital of Ghana? So under the options, there's A, B, and C, as mentioned in the script I read. So for example, if I put A for the answer, if and else will show whether the answer is correct or not, as showed in the script I said. So the question two, who founded Microsoft? So if I press A again, correct or wrong, it's going to show which is wrong. Which programming language are we using? Python, Java, C++. So if I type in C, it will show below. It will show below. So at the ending, I got a 1 out of a 3. This project is a simple project I enjoy making. I can change the questions into any other question like sports, cartoons, math, and a lot of things. Thank you for listening to this project, my first project. Now let me move on to my second project. This project, started by AI. This project is based on education, which help children like reading and learning better. I made this project mainly to make children like learning and make IPython point display as IPD. It will go to a voice display from Python and play it here. Text you want to convert. So if you want to convert a story or a sentence, you write it in this space given below. Convert text to speech. TTS equals GTTX. Text equals text. Language equals English. It will save to file. Play the audio in Colab. IPD point audio. Voice MP3. This means the audio should come from voice point MP3. This is the demonstration of the week. And PIP install GCS. This means it should install GCS on Google Colab using Python to run the week. So please, this is the demonstration of the week.
There lived two boys called James and Kofi. Thier never listened to instructions.
So this project can also help people. For example, if a child wants to listen to a story, instead of a person or human saying it, an AI can just read it to the child. and help the child like learning better and understand stories easier. Thank you for this project. Thank you for listening.
Okay. Thank you, Mana. That is good. That is good. So later we'll take comments if you have to come in. Yes. So Mana, that is a great job. You have not disappointed, as we said. It's not everybody who can do test programming and understand it like that. People in the university are still struggling with this. So when you start early is good. So don't throw the source code away. The concept is good. Okay, so you can build around it. And I'm happy that you understand how to navigate your way through Colab and then Visual Studio to create such impressive projects. Yes, well done.